The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Shopify with the ticker symbol SHOP. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So here we have the daily chart for Shopify. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. And I believe we're still on course to get that breakout on the bottom side of this range. So there was a little breakout right here, but I'll go over why I don't think that's the actual breakout I'm expecting. So this is the overall pattern since early May. Looks like prices are finding support at this low $30 level, and we're finding resistance right around this $41 level, $41 to $42 level. For any people that don't think technical analysis works, I want you to answer this question for me. Why do we keep on bouncing from this $30 level for several months now? You can see that every time we come back to this $30 level, why do prices go up? I mean, this happened just a few weeks ago. We bounced from that level too. So that's why I believe technical analysis pretty much rules the markets. Traders move the market around. You can see that every time prices come here, traders recognize that. And they either buy and sellers gather positions or whatever, and then whenever prices go over here, they sell. So it's just a self-fulfilling prophecy where we keep on getting resistance over here and then support on the opposite side. You can see that every time we came back up near this $40 level, prices went down. I mean, it happened a lot of times. This is more than 2, 3, 4, 5 times that prices are bouncing between these price levels. So technical analysis definitely works, and this stock definitely proves it. Did good news come out every time we went to the bottom side of this range? Probably not. And even if it did, you can predict it. For example, you can see that if you had support drawn at the bottom and prices went back to it, you'd be expecting a good news to come out, so they can just move the market up. And that's exactly what happened. And whenever bad news comes out, or whenever the market looks like it's going up, you're gonna probably expect bad news to come out soon, and then prices went down. So that's pretty much just how the market works. So let me go and clear this drawings off. Let's leave the range pattern back on. So again, prices go from the highs to lows, lows to highs in the range. Looks like we had a breakout on the top side, expecting a breakout on the bottom side. There was a breakout right here on September 6th, but I can just move the range a little bit lower. This could be the actual support, so it's not really a obvious breakout, so I'm not going to consider that the one I'm expecting, the big one. And then we bounced from the lows, which should technically send prices to the upside, but you see that we started finding resistance at the midline, and whenever we did it in the past, we went back down to the lows of the range. So that's where it looks like prices are headed now. We got rejected from the midline of this range when it should have went higher, and we fell below the EMA, and now we're still closing below it. So this is not a good sign, meaning there's a bearish imbalance, telling me that we could see a breakout on the bottom side soon. Now, I've been saying we're going to get this breakout soon, but again, market takes detours. It doesn't move in straight lines, so it just could draw out longer than you think, but eventually the prices usually go to where you think it's going to go. Just the timing is the hard part. So if we get a breakout, we could get a double the range type breakout if it's successful, and that's right around the $19, $20 level. Mark with a horizontal line. So that's a first target. Another target could be a measured move. If this is one leg down and this is a correction, then prices could go down to the same area. So that's confluence. Kind of amazing how you have a range breakout and the measured move breakout pretty much at the same location. So that tells me that there's confluence there, and traders are more confident that this is a good strong target to obtain. So basically, I still think we're going to go lower. I don't think Shopify has bottomed, because if we go to the SPY real quick, I'm pretty sure most people think back here in June 17th that was not the bottom for this buy, and this has at least a good amount of percentage drop left, you know, about 6-7% drop. And Shopify is already at its lows of this downtrend, and if the SPY goes down, this stock should go down too. It doesn't make any sense why it wouldn't. Obviously it's not going to be 100%, but I mean, we already are very close to the lows of this trend that we've been inside of for a long time, this downtrend. And if the SPY is going to drop that much, I mean, this stock definitely has to drop. I'm just expecting that to occur. So that's another indicator you can use, but it doesn't have that much weight to it as much as just looking at the price action here. Even the price action here is pretty bearish. So that's all I have for the Shopify. Just basically looks like I'm expecting this $20 level to be eventually hit, probably sometime this year when this breakout occurs. And we can go switch over to the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Shopify. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think this is a good trade for the next 1 to 2 years at these lower price levels, because if it drops to that $20 level, this could be a 10 bagger stock if it goes back up to the highs, which it could. So let me know in the comments down below if this is a good long-term or short-term swing trade, long-term swing trade, whatever, 1 to 2 year trade from the highs to the lows to the highs, excuse me. So again, we had a major crash. It was kind of extended, dropped down, sold off quite a bit. We're far away from the EMA. This breakout came right into the EMA, found resistance. You can see on the weekly chart, the most recent candle was a red. So last week was a red drop down. It's kind of bearish. Looks like it could be stopping out the longs who have the stop losses right here, because they were trying to pick a bottom, which is very low probability. Traders are waiting for these candles to close to enter above them normally. And once they entered, you can see that they got triggered in their trade. But then the next week, the market reversed pretty much 60% of that up move. So it's coming down for the stop losses, because if they bought here, they have a sell stop right here, which is going to add fuel to the fire if we break that. So something to look for. I don't think we have bottom. You can see that we're pretty much right on the edge of a big push down, because this is a strong support. And you can see that we have not been below this horizontal line since 2019. So Shopify is pretty much right on the edge of breaking out lower. And the next strong support, or where we can get a bigger bounce, is right around the $16-17 level. And anything between these two levels are skeptical, because it's just really not any strong support in these levels. It's just an impulse up. So we could easily just break down. So I'm expecting lower prices. I don't think we have bottom on this stock, and I'll give you guys an update if anything drastically changes. But as right now, I'm still sticking to those lower price targets. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.